Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I hope you know what plant this is. This is the onion plant. A few days ago, we had uploaded a video that how we had grown these onion plants. We did not grow these plants from their seeds. We grew them from the small onion bulbs and part of them. If you want to watch the video, we will give the video at the end screen. Today we are discussing how we can grow onions in bigger size. Step 1. Place the container where it can get 6 to 7 hours of daily sunlight. Remember to remove all the flowering parts from the onion plant. If there are flowers in the plant, then the bulb won't be big enough. Step 3. Always maintain moisture in your soil. Onions love moist soil, but do not overwater them. Waterlogging can cause root rot. Next step is fertilization. But before that, I want to tell that with this flowering part, you can make many dishes. As you all know, my mom is an organic gardener. She always makes organic manure. It is homemade and free of cost. When your onion plant is in growing stage, you have to provide weekly fertilization. Before fertilization, digging is must. During this digging, you have to remove all types of weeds because the weeds hamper the growth of the plant. Now my mom is giving kitchen waste compost. This kitchen waste compost contains all types of micro and macronutrients. A handful of kitchen waste compost is okay for 8-inch pot. After fertilization, watering is must. And it is not necessary to put one kind of kitchen waste compost in your plant. You can change it weekly. Sometimes my mom gives liquid fertilizer, sometimes banana peel fertilizer, the next week eggshell, and finally mixed fertilizer. Different types of fertilizer helps the plant to be healthy. Now let's talk about the pest attack. If you're an organic gardener and use organic manure, then you have the less chances of pest attack. Daily checkup of your plant is necessary. It is important to remove any dry, damaged or yellow leaf from your plant. You can use neem oil or bioenzyme. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.